Howdy again from Trip and Sheena's Acres. What you're looking at here is the vision of the tractor bar starting to come to fruition. This is an old farm implement frame that kind of worked on and sealed. These are a couple of old troughs. You'll be able to just belly up to the bar. You can serve from in here. Maybe get an old truck tailgate to sit back there for a shelf. Access the serving area through here. Still need to secure everything, but you get the idea. Probably not in its final resting place yet. It's got a little character. Hope y'all are having a great day. Talk to you later.